commencing with the sweetest name of Almighty Allah, who is the King of the kings and the Lord of the lords, who is omnipotent, omniscient and omnipresent, whom we all seek protection, my honorable judges, respected teachers and their audience. Assalamu alaikum. Let me today draw your attention to the plight of our Kashmiri brethren. Hearken to the shots of bullets, crackles of clubs, fierce sounds of explosions, screams of children, sighs of mothers, and silenced voices of resistance against oppression. Mr. President, for more than 70 years have our fellow Muslims been denied their right to be sovereign. 70 years! 70 years, Mr. President! In these 7 decades, they have made countless sacrifices. Countless mothers have lost their sons. Enough blood out there has been spilled until now. Kashmiris are on the faith that it's better to die fighting for freedom. Mr. President, nevertheless, the struggle goes on. My honor Kashmiris have done what they could, but the history brings to light the question, oh Pakistanis, what have you done for your fellow Kashmiris? They have suffered for how long? Just because of their demand for annexation to Pakistani, what have you given in return? Let's recall today the message of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who while addressing the Kashmir led the cause of action for all of us. While addressing the Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference on 26 October 1946, he remarkably said, my message and earnest appeal to Muslim leadership in Kashmir is organize your people educationally, socially, economically and politically and set your hand on constructive nation building program. Let's make a vow to God, to our conscience, to our blood for surfacing the Kashmir issue with all zeal and zest, with the immense hope that one day the sun of independence will dawn upon the beautiful valley and our fellow Kashmiris will have a peaceful and prosperous life. Thank you.